Hello, y'all. Can I do that? No. Oh, that's just crazy. See if we could see some lightning. Can't believe this thing won't let me no, I won't let me do it all. See, now it doesn't want to lighten, huh? Because it knows it's under the camera. It's under the camera. It's camera shy. Guess it won't rain neither, huh? Because it's camera shy. It's raining though. It's coming down, baby. It's coming down. It's coming down. Just look at this. Just look at this. Oh, just look at this. It's raining. Psh. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh, we're gonna melt. We're gonna melt. That's one thing good about being a vlogger. You could have fun with it. You could have fun. Just have fun. Ooh, I missed the birdie. I'm gonna re-look at it. See if I caught it. Oh, caught that lightning. I know my camera caught it. This camera got some good pictures. Good film too. Now we got the thunder. I'm getting a little scared. Not. Psh, take more than that to scare me. See this, y'all? We got like 2 houses. That house right there is just a shed. It's a shop shed, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's worth about 250 grand if it was in better condition. But because my grandpa is getting old, he's old school, so he'll just collect on the insurance. He don't care about fixing it up. He'd rather burn up in flames and collect on the insurance than trying to fix it up and losing more money. I guess that's how he looks at it. I don't know. I'd rather fix it up and get my money. But I guess insurance wise, I guess you get the same amount of money anyway. And you don't have to worry about people being picky and be like, well, I don't really like this in the house. Can you go down 50 grand and all that? No, whatever. People just picky just to be picky so they could try to rob you. I guess that's how I look at it sometimes. If I like a house, I just like the doggone house. I don't care about what's in it or what's not in it. I just buy the stupid thing. The hell with it. And I could just I could fix it and do whatever the hell I want afterwards. But that's just my opinion. Just my opinion. Psh, give me a kiss. That's what Omar Gosh says from Florida. In every vlog he says that. Give me a kiss. You wanna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Ooh, that was a lightning, dude. Wow, that's what I want. That's what I want on my channel. Now we're getting somewhere, baby. We're getting somewhere. Are we gonna die today? Doesn't bother me. I ain't got nothing anyway. It doesn't matter to me. Psh. Love just being me. What's up, Eli? I know that I ain't lie, but what's up, Eli? You're my boy. You're doing good, bro. Anybody that ain't subscribed to Eli, subscribe to Eli over there in Oregon, the state of Oregon. Portland police, bro. Portland police need to get shut down. They need to get some correction. But so does Pineville too, Louisiana. Yeah, people think that well, we got some crazy people out here. We got some crazy people out here in Louisiana, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real. And I got my pretty birdie over here yonder. Let's see if you can see it. It's kind of hidden. Ooh, look. Look at that pretty birdie in the fig tree. Look at the pretty birdie in the fig tree. Are you gonna eat up all of my figs, huh? You gonna eat up all my figs? Just bouncing around. Well, ain't that cool? Man, birds don't have nothing to worry about. They still get fed. And here we humans getting all butt hurt and trippy about not having what we want. We could be like a bird, you know what I'm saying? You know, we can be like a bird and get eaten by a hawk or something. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, poof. And we worried about not having gas in the car, or can't pay the bills, or we ain't got enough money. But it is what it is. Ooh, boy, it's fixing to pour down. I can see it from a ways. I don't know if y'all can see that, y'all, but it is about to come down, and it is coming at a fast rate. There y'all. Now see it down there, y'all? See all that hard rain coming? It's duck and dodge, son. Ooh, it's coming down, baby. It's fixing to come down. Told y'all it's coming down. Woo-wee. That's what I'm talking about. We got it on the YouTube channel now. You're famous. Your YouTube star, Rain. Your YouTube star. Think you've been there. Longer than my channel. It's been up. My channel's only been up for about 3 or 4 months. Maybe 5, I don't know. So this is what we looking at today, y'all. Looking at rain. Some people think this is boring, some people think it's cool. We got a Jeep on YouTube now. Don't be mad, get glad. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Rain, rain, go away, come back another day. Oh! Alright, we done.